Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to go over what transitional epithelium is. Epithelium is the outer thin layer of tissue made up of a continuous layer of cells that line the external surfaces of the body, organs, and blood vessels. It also lines the internal surfaces of the hollow organs within the body. There are several types of epithelium found lining the surfaces of the body. These can be distinguished based on a mixture of the number of layers of cells the epithelium is made up of and the shape of the epithelial cells. When the epithelium consists of two or more layers of epithelial cells, this is called stratified. Transitional epithelium is a type of stratified epithelium, meaning it consists of two or more cell layers. In transitional epithelium, the epithelial cells vary in their shape depending on whether it is being stretched or not. This is called transitional. Transitional epithelium is made up of two or more layers where the top layer changes its shape depending on whether it is being stretched or not. Transitional epithelium is made up of 3 cell layers. The basal cells form the bottommost layer of cells in the transitional epithelium. They sit on the basement membrane and are responsible for providing new cells to the layers above. The intermediate cells are the cell layers found between the apical and basal cells. They are usually cuboidal to columnar in shape. The apical cell layer, also known as the superficial cell layer, is the top layer of cells. These apical cells are the ones facing the lumen. These cells have a roundish or cuboidal shape to them when the tissue is relaxed, but appear flattened or squamous in shape when the tissue is stretched. These cells also have a lot of keratin accumulation. The apical surface of the apical cells may also have the presence of outgrowths known as microvilli that have a mucus coating. Transitional epithelium is found lining the organs of the urinary system where it is known as the urothelium. The most notable location in the urinary system is its presence in the bladder. It functions here in allowing the bladder to increase in size because it can stretch as the bladder fills up with fluid. It also functions in being a barrier to prevent pathogens or toxic waste from the fluids in the lumen making its way into the bloodstream. And that concludes this video on transitional epithelium. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.